So the next thing we're going to set up is your sheet list. Um, not every design firm, every architecture firm uses a sheet list. The sheet list is going to go on your cover page, your cover sheet. However, it is extremely useful. So I always highly recommend using one and setting it up. And with Revit, it is very easy to do because it is connected, is one of their schedule options. So it makes it easy to work with. Um, it is under schedules. So when we come to Revit, so first thing, I also added a cover sheet. And what you're going to do is just you'll duplicate, same as we did before. And then I changed my numbering to A000, and this puts it up at the top. Okay. So, because your cover sheet eventually is where you will put um, your sheet list. So, as again, in the view tab here, we're going to come over to schedules, and there's a drop down next to it. So when we click on that, it opens up options. And we're going to come down to sheet list right here. So this is the one that we're working on. It opens up this property tab. We're going to scroll again. This is should be by alphabetical order. So I'm going to go to the bottom. The only two things we need are the sheet number and your sheet name. Now, we want the number to show first, so that's why I clicked on it to move it first as it goes through. You can move it around by using the up and down arrows. So if you do it incorrectly, then you can adjust it so our sheet number is on top and then sheet name. Additionally, on this screen, we're going to come to sorting and grouping tab. And this very first one where it says sort by, and it'll say none, and it has a drop down next to it. We're going to click the drop down, and it's only going to give you the options that we've chosen. So we want it to sort by sheet number. All right, everything else stays the same. So we'll just hit OK. This is going to open up this schedule, the sheet list. And you can see it's got what I have in here. Now, in Revit, if I make a change anywhere, it's going to update it everywhere. So if I came down here and maybe I decided that instead of furniture plan, this should actually be my FF&E plan, and hit OK. Now in my sheet list, it's changed it to FF&E plan. I can also in here come and say, no, you know what? It is just a furniture plan. Type it in here and it updates it over here as well. So it's all connected as it goes through. So that's how you set up your sheet list. And again, I highly recommend it. As we add additional sheets, it will add it to the sheet list.